1/3 of our rotation code is complete. You can see the ... dash pattern right here is in the correct position. Let's go over the code. In our rotation clockwise function that rotates the sublayers of our binary tile on the geometry layer, we have filled out this function. So first of all, this is the output U32 right here. We're just going to carry over the input, and then we're going to modify this in different blocks of code down here. We have some constants. These constants are for the masks for where the rotation code exists within the midground, background, and foreground. And then we have the shift amounts to shift those out to create 2-bit numbers for the midground, background, and foreground. And then we have these delete masks, which are used to clear out the bits within our uint32 for the midground, background, and foreground. So before we pack the modified value back into place, we need to delete the bits in place, and that's what these are for. Here are our 2-bit codes for the rotation for the midground, background, and foreground. We're going to shift out the 2-bit rotation code here. We're going to increment the rotation code, and we're going to set it to 0 if we go out of bounds. And then, after we've done that, we need to erase the old rotation codes in our uint32s. So we're going to mask out the old rotations with our delete masks on the output U32. Then down here, we're going to take the modified rotation code, shift it back into place, and then smash it together with a bitwise OR into our output U32, and then spit out that output U32. And that's all we did. So here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are on the advanced playlist. Source code is here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money.